Okay, everybody, I wanted to show you how to access the math assignments non-digitally. So in the math assignment, you guys can see here, I have attached the PDF version of the assignment. So if I click on that, now what I want to do is I want to actually open this with Kami. So you guys hopefully have the Kami extension, and if you do not, make sure you go to Google and do a search for Kami extension, Chrome extension, and make sure you install that Kami Chrome extension onto Chrome. So those of you that already have the extension, you're going to open with Kami. You'll log in using your Gmail account, and once you have opened it with Kami, now you can actually start to insert text boxes and answering the questions on the assignment. So if I scroll down to the second page where you'll actually see questions, here's the questions. It says play the factor game several times with a partner. So hopefully you've been playing that factor game with a partner or a parent or on the computer or however else you're playing it. And I have attached the PDF version of the game here as well. So same thing, you can open this with Kami as well. So hopefully you've done that and you've played it several times. Now what you're supposed to do is answer these questions. So the easiest way to do this using the Kami extension is to go ahead and insert over here. You guys can see insert a text box. That's going to be the easiest way to do that. Yes, you can go ahead and write, you can text, you can write on the text as well, but that is not going to be convenient. So again, the best way is to insert a text box. Okay, I'm going to use black ink, and I'm going to come over here, and there's my text box. So what I want to do is I want to answer question A1. So I type into the box A1 so that your teacher, me, will know which question you're answering. The question says, how can you determine whether one number is a factor of another number? So I would just type my answer to that question right here in the box. You can determine if one number is a factor of another number by, and I'm not going to type the answer because I want you guys to type the answer. Okay, so that's one way to go ahead and insert in the answers to the questions right here using Kami. Okay, you will not be able to type into the margins, unfortunately, so everything will have to kind of stay on the actual white page of the assignment. That's just how it's going to have to be. So you're going to have to be creative doing stuff like this, just resizing your text box. And then when you go to start your new text box for your next question, right here, A2, and you will answer A2 right here, and I will be able to see all your work. Now, how do you submit this work? So once you're done typing all the answers to the questions, what you'll do is you'll come up here to where it says save. You'll go ahead and hit save, and you're going to save to your Google Drive. It should already be linked to your Google Drive, so you're going to say add to my drive. And it will save it into, should save it right here into this Kami Uploads. So select Kami Uploads. Okay, and it says Primetime 1.1 PDF, so it's already doing that. So then you just say save now. All right, so once I've done all that, it's already saved. Everything's awesome. All changes were saved right there. So now I'm going to come back to my classwork. And I'm going to click on View Assignment. And I'm going to add or create the homework because I wasn't able to do it digitally. So I'm going to add or create from my Google Drive. Recent, there's my most recent one right there. But if you don't want to do it that way, you can go to my drive. You can find that Kami upload. And there's Primetime 1.1. If I insert that. What? Let's try that again. It says I don't own the file. That's weird. For you guys, it should work. I don't know why it's not working right now, but for you guys, it should work. And then what you'll do is once it's attached right there, then you'll mark as done, and you've attached the PDF with Kami edits. Hopefully that will help you guys, and you'll be able to turn in the assignment that way. You can also play the factor game using the same thing, open with Kami. This might be a fun way to play the factor game, or you can just print out the board multiple times, but this is kind of a fun, easy way to do this. Okay, so you're playing with your partner. This time you can go ahead and just mark up, right? You're one color, your partner's another color. So let's say I pick the number, whoopsie. I pick the number 29. So I just circle 29. So then my partner would pick their color. Sorry, we have to create a copy of this. I apologize. There we go. So let's try that again. So I picked the number 29. So my partner would get 1. Okay, then it's my partner's turn. So they're going to pick the number 25. And I would get 5, and so on. So this is one way to play the game. When you're all done, just take your eraser and just erase everything, and you can start over. So again, hopefully this will help you guys with doing your math homework. Again, the digital is the easiest and the best way to do it. If it's not working for you digitally, you can use this Kami extension to do the PDF version. Or the other way to do it, like I said, is just printing off this on a printer at home, doing it by hand, taking pictures, and uploading pictures onto the assignment as well. Whichever way is going to work best for you guys.